This is the explanation for the rotary cup filling sealing machine. And this is the overview of the machine with the safety chamber. This is the front side, and this is the size. This is the cartridge type inkjet printer. This is the two hoppers for double color filling for chocolate cream. And this is the refilling pump. This is the inlet of the two pumps. And this is the stainless steel pipelines connected to the hoppers. And this is the compressed air hose for the two diaphragm pumps. The pumps need to connect the air from the air outlet of the main unit of the machine here, there, and here through these two pipelines is 10 millimeter diameter hoses. And this is the back side of the machine, and this is the other side of the machine. And now let's take a closer look of the machine. This is the touch screen of the machine, and this is the hopper. This is the power switch, and this is the power indicator, and this is the buzzer. This is emergency stop switch, and this is the hopper heating switch. This is the hopper heating temperature meter, and this is hopper two temperature meter, and this is the ceiling height temperature. For your film, the ceiling temperature should be at least 235 degrees. Normally, 170 degrees ceiling temperature would be enough. And here, let's take a look at the stations one by one. This is the carb loading hopper, carb loads here, and this is the carb dropping station. The carbs are sending from here, and this is the hopper number one. The hopper number one, and this is the mixer motor of the hopper, and this is the inlet for the cleaning water for the hopper from this inlet, and this is the material. This is the product inlet hose from here, and this is the hopper jacket water inlet. And before any heating operation needed for the hopper, you must fill water from here to about this level. About this level would be enough. Do not fill too full, as when the water becomes hot, there will vaporizes, and the water will overflows from this mouth. To fill water to this level before heating operation of the hopper. And there are two hoppers for two color products. And now this is the discharge of the residue water from the hopper jacket. And now let's take a look at the inside of the hopper. Here, this is the mixer. The mixer is inside the hopper mixer, and this is the ball. This is the liquid level ball. When the liquid is up to this level, the pump will automatically stop refilling product to this hopper. This is the liquid level sensor for this hopper. And here also, this is the cleaning ball. The cleaning ball will inject water to cleaning the inside all the walls of the hopper. And please note, this ball must be connected to another pump of your own pump, so that the water injected from this ball could have enough pressure to be able to inject far enough to clean all sides of the hopper. So you need an additional two pumps at your side to connect it to this ball. This is a liquid level sensor indicator. When the liquid level is high enough, this indicator will light on to indicate the hopper is already full. And these two are the filling nozzles, two filling nozzles for filling the liquid. Even the paste with soft particles can fill because the nozzle size is big enough. And this is the film sucking station, sucking and placing. First, it sucks the film from here, and then it will place the film onto the mold of the cups. And this is the door sensors. Whenever the door is open, the buzzer will alarm, and the machine will not run when the closed. So door open, machine stop feature of the machine. And this is the sealing station, the sealing height, the sealing station for the cups. And finally, this is the discharge station. It hooks the cups and then lifts it off onto this discharge conveyor. And here, this is the conveyor switch and conveyor speed adjusting. And this is the cartridge type inkjet printer. So this is the mounting of the inkjet printer. You just need to mount this rack, this bracket here, and then you mount the screens like this here. And this is the sensor for sensing the cups. After the sensor detecting the cups is coming, then the inkjet printer will start to print. And this is the cable. This cable for the power supply of this. And this This one is for the sensor. This one is for the sensor, and this is for the inkjet printer itself. This line, and when it pushes up, this cartridge can be taken out and to be changed. And after each shift operation, it's better to lift this up and take out this cartridge, and then cover this cartridge up. Cover this to prevent the becomes dry. So this is the machine, and we will add a platform here for collecting the cups. And now let's take a detailed look at the touch screens, the buttons of the switch of the touch screen. And this is the start up screen, and when we press push anywhere, and then we are operates two language selections, and we can select English. And this is the auto screen. The auto screen. This is the total count, total production number, and we push clear to make it a 0. And this is the cup job station. All the stations of the machine. This is the fill station number 1, fill station number 2. This is the lead place station, and the seal station and discharge station. And we can disable or enable them of each stations. And this is the switch for manual mode and auto mode. And this is the auto refill. The auto refill of the pumps to the hopper from your tank, product tank to the machine hopper, auto refill function, auto refill number 2, and this is the turntable cup clearing. Before you end each shift, you can clear all the remaining cups on the turntable by push this this button. And this is the pause button. And this is a manual screen. Manual screen is for the debugging and commissioning of the machine. So this has all the turntable model, the cup job, holder valve, have all the movements of each station, and of each movement. All the movements are here for manual debugging and commissioning of the machine. And this is the parameter screen. Here you can adjust all the parameters here, but usually please do not change the parameters because they are set up well according to your cup before shipment. And these are the functions. So this is a door detection. Door detection, when the door is open, the machine will alarm as it is now. So you can either enable this function or disable this function. And this is the cup discharge motor. Cup discharge motor run mode. You can be continuous mode or intermittent mode. Cup discharge. When it's continuous mode, it will always running, and intermittent mode, it will stop for some seconds and then run. And this is the pipe cleaning. So when you want to clean the pipes of the machine, you can push this to be on position. And this is the query screen. it displays the inputs and output signals of the PLC. So whenever there is, you can use this screen to fault and to detect where the fault is. So when it is in right, it means the fault is not working. Otherwise, it is working mode. So these are the screens of this, and attention station enabling or disabling must prior to turntable in position. So you want to disable whatever station, it must be done before the turntable is already in this station. So must prior to the turntable arriving this station. And let's take a cabinet. This is a speed controller, 2-speed controllers for the hopper mixer or stirrer. And this is the temperature, temperature switch this is for the heating for the ceiling station, and this is for the hopper number 1 temperature, and this is for the hopper number 2 temperature. And these are the two inlets to connect. These are the inlets to connect directly with the pump. So you just need the hoses to connect here and here for making the pumps to automatically refills. And here, let's take at these are the cylinders. When you need to adjust the filling volume, you just need to loosen this screw, and adjust the disc up and down. When the disc is done, the filling volume is bigger. So when the disc is nearer to this sensor, the filling volume is smaller. And after the adjustment is done, you just need these two screws. This screw is to prevent this screw from loosening. So when adjustment is done, you can here make adjust this collar, these two to be together to prevent from loosening. So the filling volume is adjusted by this disc. And also for the compressor air, there is a switch here. When you pull this leftwards, the compressed air is turned off. And when you push it, when it's in position, it's a right position, the compressed air is on. Now this off and on, and only when the compressed air pressure is more than 0.6 megapascal, the machine can work well. So first of all, you must remember, if you want to turn on this switch, this hop filling switch, you must remember to fill water in the hopper jacket to prevent dry burning. You must fill water from these two hopper inlets, fill cold water, use a funnel to fill water to about this level would be enough before turn on the hopper heating switch. And there are warning signs here.